we go. Tornado watch. I knew it. Oh, crap. Oh, my stomach is so scared.
The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service.
They're repeating
The National
it.
Weather Service has issued tornado watch number
I'm actually scared
335,
because we have
effective until
no
11 p.m.
basement.
This watch includes the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Cecil.
Oh,
Dorchester,
that's us.
Howard,
That's us.
Maryland,
That's
and
us.
the city of Baltimore.
Oh,
and the following
no.
marine locations: Chesapeake Bay,
Oh,
Fools
no.
Island, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay
Oh,
from Fools Island to
no.
Sandy Point, Maryland.
Oh,
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy
crap.
Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay and Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Choptank River. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Yeah, that's
While
us.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 335 has been issued from 3:40 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, and Howard, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore, and the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Fools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Patapsco River,
Now we got
Harbor. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay and Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Choptank River.
Actually caught in my career.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement.